Most people stay broke for one reason: they live with no margin. After rent, groceries, gas, insurance, and debt payments, there's almost nothing left. So when a $600 car repair hits, one person pays cash and moves on. The other uses a credit card, pays interest, misses another bill, gets hit with fees, and maybe loses work because they couldn't drive. Being broke becomes expensive. That's the trap. Wealth compounds upward through investing and ownership. Poverty compounds downward through debt, stress, and instability. And budgeting alone usually can't fix it if income barely covers survival. High rent, childcare, healthcare, car payments, and low wages quietly eat the future before it arrives. Then stress makes everything worse. People stop planning long-term because they're stuck solving emergencies. Most people don't stay broke because of one terrible decision. They stay broke because constant financial pressure destroys margin faster than they can rebuild it.